it up, yeah, she's a dancer. Flashes with the right car.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the hashtag Royalty Squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my new videos. So in this one, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing a 7-day makeup challenge, and this is day 3, and I'll be recreating one of RonkeRaji's looks. So if you guys don't know what the 7-day challenge, what my own 7-day challenge is where I choose 7 beauty YouTubers and I recreate one of their most colorful looks. Because my goal this summer is to like play with colors as a dark skinned girl, because there's not enough like colors. We're used to golds and browns and oranges. So yeah, anyways, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I will leave a picture of what I'm trying to recreate. As you can see, I've done this eye. I'll be showing you guys this eye, and literally don't mind the swatches. I was trying to get the right shade of green. And by the way, like for this challenge, I've been using my Laroc 120 summer eyeshadow palette. That palette literally has anything you can imagine. It has all the colors that you can imagine, different shades. As you can see, that's an example. They are all greens and blues, but they are different shades. Anyways, let me stop rambling and let's just get started. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it looks similar to that of RonkeRaji's one. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you've not hit the like button, please like this video and kindly tag RonkeRaji on my Instagram post. Thank you so much. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.